Welcome to the lecture of inventory. This lecture we will discuss all about inventory, how to manage, how to make some specification and modification through your inventory through the products. So let's show up here the inventory. Here we see all of the products at the inventory. As you see here, each product with the image and the product name, SKU. Also, when sold out, stop selling if you want, incoming quantity. Also, we have the ability to update quantity if we want to do that. Finally, we have the ability to make some modification when we check some of other products here. Then we will some menus that will be appear at the navigation top, like bulk actions, like continue selling with when sold out, stop selling when sold out, create a transfer or update inventory quantity. That's all operations can be done over any products like this. Also, let's come back again. We have the ability to edit variations or edit any products it relates to the product status, if it was relates or otherwise. So now let's go to update a quantity. If we want to add new quantities like this, we have to make save change, then the quantity directly it will be updated. The income represents the number of incoming from sold when we sell some of these products. Let's scroll down to see much more option. So these are all of our products at the store. As I mentioned, we have the ability to add quantity, update quantity, or delete or make any modification about all of these products. Also, we have the ability to add transfer for each item of these products or for all of these products by click here at the add transfer. So that's all at this point for the inventory. See you in next lecture with collections. Goodbye.